मैं माँ सरस्वती को आपके सबके हेल्थ और प्रोस्पेरिटी और आप सब आगे बढ़े उसके लिए प्रार्थना करती हूँ। और ये सेशन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर एमएससी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डिजाइन किया है कि वो लोग आगे जाके सीएसआई और यूजीसी नेट क्वालिफाई कर पाए। तो इस सेशन को हमने ऐसे कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट बनाने की कोशिश की है और हमारे साथ आज ये एफर्ट को सक्सेसफुल और इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाने के लिए हम हमारे 4 जो पहले एग्जिस्टिंग पीजी सीबीसी के नोड थे वो हमें हेल्प करेंगे, ताकि वो कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे मंथली एंड दे विल हेल्प अस टू मेक दिस कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज सक्सेसफुल। तो उसके लिए हमने 4 जो हमारे नोड्स है, तो फॉर दिस मंथ Navrachna University will coordinate and likewise we'll have a 1-by-1 sessions. बट उसके पहले हम हमारे साथ आज हमारे सारे सेंटर्स के कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं, तो हम उसके बारे में जानेंगे और वो ये सीरीज कैसे आगे लेके जाएंगे। तो पहले मैं नवरचना यूनिवर्सिटी के जो मेंटर है प्रोफेसर एवी रामचंद्रन सर, सर को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी। ही इज एमेरिटस प्रोफेसर एंड एचओडी ऑफ जूलॉजी व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय बीएससी। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट सर कि आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा वर्ड्स बताइए एंड थोड़ा उसको एनकरेज करे, मोटिवेट करे, ताकि वो अपने लाइफ में कुछ मुकाम तक पहुंच पाए। सर Sir, your voice is not audible, Ramachandran sir.
Okay, I think I was muted. Okay.
Yes, fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to one and all. I think it's an impromptu thing. I just joined because I was to go to a dentist, but then I thought I will attend for a few minutes, but then you put me in immediately. So thank you very much. And I think first I would like to tell that the Gujarat Biotechnology Mission is putting all its effort to promote research in Gujarat, essentially organizing such a training program. And I think the mission of biotechnology program is to have more researchers coming out from Gujarat so that they can crack the NET examination and make research as a career. You know, in the modern times with the COVID pandemic, you know the importance of life science, how important life sciences are. And probably in the years to come, there'll be number of healthcare workers that we needed by the country, not only in India, but even globally. I think life science students and biologists and biotechnologists will be in great need, because you are the supporting force for the doctors to practice. The weapon that they need to fight all those pandemics is in your hand. You create those weapons which the doctors can use, you know. And I just take a few minutes, because as students, I understand you are all students have been selected after a screening program initially, and you'll be preparing for your next examination. The first thing that I need to tell you is you need to have a vision. Of course, the vision is to crack your NET examination so that you can launch on to your research career. And so you have to execute a mission to fulfill that vision. And to execute that mission, what you need is, you have to remain motivated. For the next few months when you're preparing, instead of wasting your time here and there, remain motivated and stay focused. That's the two important things that you need to do to crack the examination. It is not very difficult to crack the examination, because just by mugging up would not help you pass the exam. What you need to understand the concepts of the subject, every topic. Analytically, you must be able to understand the problem, because most of your questions are analytical now, if you see. So not only that, you need also have an understanding of different branches of biology sometimes to answer a question. It is not a straight question from a particular topic. And I understand, and as I taught biology, I think it's a story that is going on inside the cell. Though we do separate it into cell biology, molecular biology, etc., for the sake of teaching and understanding. However, they all merge together inside the cell. I call it as a story of cell. And you can easily merge from one branch to another, to biochemistry, to molecular biology, genetics. Everything is inside the cell. It is a story of life. And I think you should understand it as a story, not separate entities. So You have to put in all your efforts to crack this examination, attend the courses that we offered to you by the eminent speakers who will, lecture you on various topics. And another thing is you need to do is strategize. You must develop a strategy to crack the examination. You remain focused, no doubt, you remain motivated, but then work out the strategies. 20% strategy will help you to 80% marks you can score. That's the way it is. So more you strategize, the more successful you are going to be. So with those words, I wish you all the best, and I wish you have a great training program, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such an encouraging word. So, dear students, as sir rightly said, strategize your preparation for NET examination, and you will definitely succeed. So now I will request Professor Digvijay Rana sir. He's a coordinator at Aribas and for our center, and right now Aribas is a CBM University, and sir is organizing our crash course workshop from very beginning, since so many years. He has successfully guided so many students to crack these examinations. So sir is right person to take, because what happens, our generation is very mobile. They divert here and there. So to stay connected and तो ये सब चीजों के लिए राणा सर आपको इतने अच्छे से बता पाएंगे कि कैसे आप क्रैश कोर्स वर्क क्रैक करके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन करके क्रैक कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल इनवाइट राणा सर टू से फ्यू वर्ड्स टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स for their starting their preparation, sir. Rana sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Good morning to all the students, and very good morning to our motivator since from our beginning, Ramchandran sir.
Thank you.
I was also students from zoology, sir.
Oh, okay.
So actually, this journey of this CSIR NET crash course was begin in 2015, and for that, obviously, GSBTM put so many efforts. And in 2015, we have started this crash course in offline mode, and every year we conducted twice in a year. So we conducted this crash course twice in a year. One is during the November, that is just before the December exam, and one during the May month, just before the June examination. And at that time, we taught the students throughout the day, and the program was 10 days, and we taught them from morning 8 to evening 8. 12 hours sessions were there. Right. And since last 5 years, with the help of the efforts of GSBTM and all the experts from Gujarat, we are able to prepare the students from all over the Gujarat, and more than, I'm happy to say that more than 100 students from Gujarat, they were able to crack the CSIR NET examination. And I am completely agree with Ramchandran sir that to crack the NET examination is not difficult. But for that, first of all, you need the determination and continuous motivation. And finally, the 20% part, it is that strategy. So basically, in this type of workshop, we teach you the strategy, how you are going to appear in the CSIR NET examination. Because this exam is conducted for life science, and most of our students are from the biotechnology, some are from the microbiology, some from the zoology, and some from the botany. So their subsidiary subjects means for zoology students, some botany topics are weaker. So we are trying to compile all the topics, or mainly the important topics, and in that we are preparing the students for analytical questions. it is this particular crash course. It is not such like a normal teaching. Once you attend these lectures, you come to know that it is completely different than your normal lectures. So here, all the experts who have already uh, uh, teach this particular crash course since last so many years. So they also know the strategy, how to teach the NET aspirants, right? So I hope those students who have successfully cracked this initial screening test, and I hope all the students, those who are going to appear into the NET examination, most of the students are able to crack the exams. If you attend this crash course, please don't take it lightly. It is not like all the webinars. No, normally आप जो webinar attend करते हो कि open करके छोड़ दिया, please try to attend to learn something. So all the best and thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. As you rightly said, sir said that the CSIR net is not only for biotechnology student, it is entirely for life science students. So you have to prepare patch of each subject. So this crash course work will take you and teach you all the topics of life science and not just the biotechnology. And our another center is earlier it was Virani Science College, and right now is Athmia University. So if we have a Praveen Gupta sir, he's also like organizing seminars from so long, and he's also our key coordinator for UG biotechnology as well. So if he is there, he can say a few words to our students. Praveen Gupta sir, are you there? Okay. I think Praveen sir is busy in UG lecture series because there are 2 lecture series. We are also organizing UG lecture series for JNU examination, which is preparing students to crack MSc examination. So sir is busy in that session. So he might not join us. But if we have a Reena ma'am. Yes, okay, sir. Okay, Praveen sir. Okay,
I'm in meeting, ma'am.
Yeah, Praveen sir,
I am managed
with us.
So our colleagues is the UG. My Praveen Gupta, and I am from Athmia University, Rajkot Center. It is coordinated by Dr. Simani Patel, and I'm working as a deputy coordinator of the Saurashtra and Kutch region. And first of all, I would like to good morning, one and all. Ramachandran sir, our today keynote speaker. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Daksha ma'am. Good morning, the coordinator of all the center as well as the participant. This is a really immense privilege to speak in front of you about this workshop. The GSBTM working since long to inculcate the value in the life science in Gujarat state, and they always try to correct the life science from the very root level in academia, research as well as the entrepreneurship development. The immense work person from
Sir, your voice is cutting and echoing, sir. Yes. Sir, due to network, Praveen sir, due to network issue, I think your voice is cutting.
GSBTM. Okay, ma'am. Just
Hello.
hello. Now it is audible, ma'am. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir. You can. Yes, okay, sir.
So team always given the very strenuous effort, and sir, as we know in Saurashtra region, we have provided the 20,000, approx more than 8,000 students get the oriented, and more than 2,000 students has been participated. During this 10 year of academic journey, approx more than 100 students get qualified the approx CSIR NET as well as the various JNU entrance exam, and they get placed at the national level institution. So participant, I would like to say, this is not a one-day journey. The preparation of competitive exam, it needs the strategy, it needs the planning, and it needs the rigorous work toward the selection. So the very important is, what is the rejection? Rejection of a study, the cutting of the study. What should you read? It is not required. What should you reject? What should you cut? This is very important to know for the competitive exam. And you know, the biology, it is always being an essential part of the science and technology, research and innovation for the safe life, like agriculture, like food, like medical, like pharma. These are the important sectors where biology acts a very vital role. And as you know, from since 2021, PhD jaruri hai, according to the MHRD. This is also you have to keep in your mind. Before the 2021, there are so many project funding agency was working toward the research and innovation. But now it is very tough from day to day. So it is very important for you people to crack the CSIR NET and placed with the institution with the national repute, where you can pursue your research as well as higher education with the essence of pride. Sometimes I understand, sometimes I see, in this current scenario, social media development, there are many people who are not aware. They are aware with the various exam. They are not aware with the how we many like Bharat is pursuing PhD, like IISc, like some other, apart from the CSIR NET, there are so many examinations like GATE, like ICMR JRF, like DBT JRF, like ICRF. There are many exams, PhD entrance of the state university. So I think it is required. Daksha Madam already oriented you all, and now all the teachers whose lecture 1-2 hour lectures will be equivalent to the 10 or 20 hours. It is in very concrete way. So certainly this duration, this entire duration gives you the new insight how to see the syllabus of the CSIR and how you prepare for the CSIR. So I really appreciate the resource person, all the resource person of the entire state to inculcate the value. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you everybody. All the best.
Thank you, Praveen sir. As Praveen sir rightly said that patience is very important, because this is not a one-day journey. You have to keep putting your effort every day, little thing. Then at the end of you will qualify the CSIR NET, because if you have seen the syllabus of CSIR Life Science, it is a vast syllabus. So हम वो देख के डर नहीं जाएंगे. क्या करेंगे हम धीरे धीरे, इसीलिए तो हमने साल की शुरुआत से ही प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दी है, ताकि हम पूरे साल पढ़ पाएंगे और एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर वी आर लाइक कैपेबल इनफ टू क्वालिफाई द CSIR NET. Now we have with us Dr. Reena Rajput ma'am. She is assistant professor at IIR University, the University of Innovation, and she is also one of the PG coordinator, and she is also part of this series. She is also going to coordinate this series. So we invite ma'am, and ma'am address our student and say a few words to them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daksha.
Yes.
Respected Ramachandran sir and my fellow coordinators. it is indeed, a very good day because we are able to resume this entire workshop in an online mode. So it has taken a lot of effort by the GSBTM people and all the coordinators to really plan these lectures so that you can be benefited in the best possible way. Like you all know that there are 4 centers, and these 4 centers are working, in a synchronic way, so that the best of the CSIR net syllabus can be covered through this series, which we are organizing. So the series, as you know, would be starting with Navrachna University, and then the other centers will come up with more lectures, and you'll get information on them as and when they are coordinated. So, like earlier, Ramachandran sir, Rana sir, Praveen sir, they have emphasized that preparing for net examination is not a single day job. So I would emphasize much on the prior preparation. So, like you would generally know what is going to be taught in the next session or in the next coming weeks and so on. So I request all these students to come prepared for with the topic so that you can discuss the questions which are asked in the CSIR net examinations. I mean, try to utilize the best of the opportunity you have. Do not take it as a regular webinar that you may attend, you may disappear for a while and so on. So put your diligent efforts in learning what the resource person are teaching you. I can only assure you that all the teaching resource people that we have gathered to deliver a lecture in this series, they are exceptionally good. So, I mean, most of them, they are themselves net qualified and multiple exams they have qualified. So, I mean, take advantage of the fact that you are getting all these resource people in a single umbrella. And thank you, GSBTM, for, providing this opportunity to all these centers, all the 4 coordinators, that we can really interact with the students, the resource person can interact, and we can really shape up their future. So when I say these words, students, naturally, it is an important milestone. Now, those of you who are interested in going to academia, I mean, cracking net examination is the only key. It is the only key. I mean, you do not have an option. So kindly take it very seriously. And I wish you all the best. And I wish you will enjoy this journey of the GSBTM crash course. Thank you so much. Thank you, Daksha.
Thank you so much, Reena ma'am. As Reena ma'am said that this series will going to continue for a long period of time till the December. So what you have to do, as ma'am said, you have to prepare some of the topic, because we will tell you in advance which topic is going to teach in upcoming weekend. So be prepared, come prior prepared, and make your session interactive. Yeah, ask your doubts, and don't take just serious series or your routine classroom teaching like that way. So I think we have a Sneha Lingle sir. He's a deputy coordinator at CVM University, that is Haribaz College. तो सर अगर आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ बताए 2 words.
Okay, good morning everyone. Nice for giving me opportunity. Basically, for competitive examination, as everybody has said, it is not a one-day task to crack the exam. It requires quite hard work with the sense that you should understand the fundamental concepts about each and every topic. So it may be anything related to life science. You need to understand and remember. So with these words, I would say that students participate and take the advanced learning that will be imparted during this crash course. Thank you.
Thank you, every coordinator. Now I will present some slide to our students that how this series is going to conduct and how many topic which center is going to organize. So this is Guj BT e-lecture series in coordination with our existing all the four PG centers, that is Navrachna University, Aribas Vallabh Vidyanagar, Atmiya University and IR University. So ये series में जो भी लोग आए हैं, they are screening test qualify करके आए हैं, तो आप सब लोग you are the like cream of this Gujarat. आप जो भी सिलेक्ट हुए हो तो आप कुछ कैपेबल हो और कुछ आपने प्रूव किया है, इसीलिए आप मुकाम तक पहुंचे और आप कुछ एग्जाम क्लियर करना चाहते हो. तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन कि आप है ना कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट रखें और एवरी वीकेंड्स में आप लेक्चर अटेंड करें. और आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स जो रह गए हैं, हमने इनविटेशन भेजे हैं, दे आर क्वालिफाइड, दे आर एलिजिबल, बट समहाउ ड्यू टू टेक्निकल एरर वो अगर एक्सेप्ट क्लासरूम ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए हैं, तो हेल्प देम टू ज्वाइन द क्लास सो दैट दे डोंट मिस ड्यू टू द टेक्निकल एरर और सो. तो हमारे नेक्स्ट मंथ जो अगस्त एंड सितंबर के कोऑर्डिनेटर है वो डॉक्टर ताशु बक्सी एंड एलिजाबेथ रोबिन है. They are from Navrachna University and they are going to coordinate topic of molecules and their interaction relevant to biology, and they are also going to cover cellular organization. तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे, ये जो दो टॉपिक है वो पढ़ाने के लिए they will invite experts from all over the Gujarat and few of the national expert as well. And what they will do, they will announce their class and coordinators will announce the class and resource person in the Google class. So what you have to see is you have to keep checking announcement in the classroom, and उसके बाद आपको ये उसके जो टाइम प्रोवाइड किया है उस टाइम पे आपको वो लेक्चर्स ज्वाइन करने हैं. उसके बाद एवरी मंथ एंड वो आपके लिए स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट, एक स्क्रीनिंग यानी एक टेस्ट और स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट नहीं, बट वो एक टेस्ट मॉक टेस्ट जैसा ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे ताकि ये दोनों टॉपिक आपने कवर किए हैं वो आपने कितने कॉन्कर किए हैं, तो वो आपके खुद के इवेल्युएशन के लिए आप खुद इवेल्युएट कर पाए. तो for the month of August we have a coordinator from Navrachna University, and for the month of September and October we have a coordinator Dr. Digvijay Rana sir and Snehal Ingle sir. They are from Aribas University and they will take fundamental processes जो आपका central dogma है DNA वो सब पढ़ाएंगे, cell communications पढ़ाएंगे and developmental biology. तो ये क्या है, वो लोग ही नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, they will invite speakers and resource person and they are just coordinating teaching for this topic. वो खुद ही इतने experts है और वो अच्छे resource person भी लाएंगे. उसके बाद अक्टूबर नवंबर के लिए आत्मिया यूनिवर्सिटी कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे. दे आर गोइंग टू कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर फिजियोलॉजी, डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ लाइफ एंड इकोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल. तो फॉर दैट डॉक्टर शिवानी पटेल एंड प्रवीण गुप्ता सर इज देयर. एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर वी हैव डॉक्टर रीना राजपूत मैम एंड डॉक्टर रेशु सक्सेना. They are from IIA University and they will take inheritance biology, evolution, behavior, methods in biology and applied biology. तो ये overall है. इसमें जो ये teachers है वो coordinators and the center will same. This months might suffer, this topics might suffer, but these are the people. They will help you to take your journey of qualifying CSIR net ahead. So they are going to in touch with you all for the next 8 months. और आप जब तक qualify नहीं कर पाते हैं तब तक. तो now I will over all the entire series to this 8 beautiful people and will next जब भी inauguration session या आपका जब wind up या आपका success story वाला session होगा तब हम मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अगर आप किसी को भी कुछ डाउट या कुछ भी सीरीज के बारे में कोई भी डाउट आता है तो यू कैन रीच अस ऑन दिस फोन नंबर. मैंने ओरिएंटेशन के टाइम पे भी बताया था कि आपको कुछ भी डाउट होता है नॉट रिगार्डिंग द CSIR नेट ओनली, अबाउट योर करियर और अबाउट योर लाइफ, यू कैन रीच us on this mobile number, email ID and website. So thank you everyone, and now I will request Dr. Darshi Bakshi ma'am, because she is going to coordinate entire session for August and September. So let's invite her and say a few words to our student how she is going to continue this series for month of August. Darshi ma'am. Darshi ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes, a very good morning to all the students for being present in the inaugural session. And as Daksha madam has already given a very detailed flow of how all the coordinators of all the centers are going to basically help all the students of Gujarat to achieve their ambition of clearing CSIR net. So with this, I would just like to brief how we have planned. The sessions will start from next week, Saturday, and we are planning to have at least 2 sessions in the weekend. Normally, they would fall on Saturdays, or if at all the need be, we might shuffle the schedule to Saturday or Sunday. But it will begin from Saturday, that is the next Saturday, and we will reach out to you for the topics which we are going to start from next Saturday, so that you can prior prepare yourself for the class. As all of the teachers are requesting all of you to essentially do a pre-preparation, which is very, very critical. Because if you pre-prepare, pre-read for the topic, then you can maximally extract out from the sessions which we will organize. And it will also be very helpful for us to make you learn the best. That's the idea. Okay. So next Saturday, the timing for the sessions would be morning 10 to 12, one session, and afternoon 2 to 4 will be the second session. And subsequently, we will follow it up with every weekend. And as I said, if there are any changes, any modifications, then we'll definitely get in touch with you so that all of you remain on the same page. However, we will also give you mock tests and practice tests at the end of the session so that you can practice during the weekend. And if any follow-up doubts, any follow-up discussions need to be done, then we would be very, very happy to receive those from all of you. Basically, all in all, if I say, let's make this series a very effective series, and that cannot happen minus the participation of all the students. We know that it is a e-learning mode, but it is there. And even in the times of pandemic, we have got this golden chance to connect to everybody. And I think we should make the maximum out of it. So I request all of you to keep your Gmail IDs notified all the time so that you can get the information. In case of any concern, you may contact GSBTM or you may contact through email so that we can quickly reach to you. Thank you, and all the best for the session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I will tell all the students one words that आपकी ये क्या है कि this generation is mobile. I say आपके फ्रेंड्स वीडियो गेम कर रहे होंगे, आपके फ्रेंड्स वीडियो बना रहे होंगे, तो आप क्या होगे, डाइवर्ट हो जाओगे. तो प्लीज ये कुछ 2 साल ही है, और ये टीचर्स जो सारे हैं ना, वो आपके लिए इतने एफर्ट और वीकेंड में भी कर रहे हैं. तो प्लीज अप्रिशिएट देयर एफर्ट्स because they are putting so many things for you guys. और आपके लिए वो इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज थोड़ा सीरियस बन के पढ़िए. और अभी तो ये टीचर्स आपके लिए गाइड करने के लिए है. आफ्टर एमएससी, वंस यू विल आउट ऑफ एमएससी, आपके बाहर आ जाओगे ना, उसके बाद नो वन विल होल्ड योर हैंड. आपके लिए कोई नहीं होगा. तो प्लीज मेक श्योर एंड प्रिपेयर योर माइंड. अभी जो ये सारे टीचर्स है, उसका मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट लो. उसका वो आपको टीचिंग करते हैं, वो आपको जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करते हैं, वो जो आपको कहते हैं, उसको आप फॉलो करिए. तो आप कौन से मुकाम तक पहुंच जाओगे वो आपको भी नहीं पता चलेगा. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट एवरी स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट प्लीज follow your heart and keep hard working. You will definitely rock in your life. Thank you.
Daksha,
Yes.
Daksha, there is just, I think I saw in the chat, there were 2 questions.
Yes.
One, I think, is regarding the recordings of the lectures. So, as I understand, it will be uploaded on the YouTube. So, you can visit the YouTube channel. And we are going to start with confirmation of proteins and nucleic acids, as well as enzymology for the next week, because I think there is a student who is asking. So, you can start preparing on these two topics because they are going to be the topics for next week's session.
एंड ये जो आपके सेशंस होंगे ना वो थोड़े इतने बेसिक ऐसे नहीं होंगे, दे विल बी गोइंग टू एडवांस टॉपिक्स, सो आपको बेसिक और ब्रीफिंग करके आना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज यू विल बी गोइंग टू ब्लैंक फॉर द एंटायर सेशन. सो प्लीज थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ के आइए ताकि वो मैक्सिमम आपको यूटिलाइज और यूजफुल हो पाए. I think if anyone, my dear all the coordinators, अगर मैं किसी कोई रह गया है तो प्लीज अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ कहना चाहते हो तो प्लीज आप बताइए, ताकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट वीक ऑनवर्ड दे आर स्टार्टिंग देयर प्रिपरेशन, तो वो आपका मैसेज लेके स्टार्ट करें.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग तुम्हें.
Ma'am, can we get email IDs of one of the each coordinator so that if we want to contact them in any circumstances or so?
You are Dhimai, you are invited on a class, right? So
Yes.
There are announcement and there are chat box as well available, so you can raise your query there as well.
Okay, ma'am. But in case if we want to
Yeah, we'll
coordinate,
definitely mail each of you all the 4 coordinators email ID. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. And topic and every detail we will mail you. I'll make sure I'll also mail this presentation as well. So आपको क्लासरूम में भी सारा मटेरियल अपलोड किया जाएगा, रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन ऑफ वीडियोस भी आपके वहां पे अवेलेबल होंगे. इन केस आप नहीं अटेंड कर पाते तो यू कैन अटेंड वो रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन जो सेव होता है वो आप देख पाएंगे. एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू मेक्स योरसेल्फ कंटिन्यूअस. आप बीच में लेक्चर मिस मत कीजिए. क्या होगा कि आपको तो हमने चूज कर लिया है और आपकी सीट ऑक्यूपाई हो गई है, काफी सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं कि उसको हम सिलेक्ट नहीं कर पाए हैं. तो अगर आप सीरियस नहीं हो तो ऑफिस से ही ड्रॉप हो जाओ ताकि हम दूसरे बच्चे को प्लेस कर पाए आपकी जगह पे. अगर ऐसा हुआ कि आप कंटिन्यूअसली एब्सेंट रहते हो तो यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू रिमूव, आई ऑल्सो रिमूव फ्रॉम यू फ्रॉम द क्लास. अगर आपको बहुत ही इमरजेंसी है तो मेल डाल के लीव ले सकते हैं. बहुत एब्सेंट रहेंगे कंटिन्यूअस तो विल रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द क्लास एंड विल कीप अनदर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट बनना पड़ेगा मुझे, अदरवाइज. ओके, आई थिंक thank you everyone, and this note will start from the next Saturday sessions. So bye everyone. Yes sir.
I would like to add one point.
Yes sir.
To the participant. I think it is very important.
Yes sir. Yes, audible sir.
So participant, please remember, more than 300 various topics it is included in the CSR syllabus in 13 units, right? So we all coordinator are scrutinized approx 70 important topics. It means 140 hours, and among 70, we have again scrutinized the 40 topics. 40 topics is one of the highly important topic of the CSR syllabus. Okay, and many are facing the problem due to the MSc class, due to some other work. Kindly manage your MSc class, because as I told you, your 2-hour teaching will be equivalent to the 20 hours. Okay, so this all 40 topics are extremely important for the CSR point of view. And the one disadvantage of online is people always become very relaxed online and just sleep. Please mind it, as I told you, PhD jaruri hai. It is not possible without fellowship in the present scenario, and fellowship is very high, funding is stopped. So you must think you don't have any option except this. Okay, so be serious, take the advantage of online mode, be relaxed in your room, and please be serious each and every point of the during the lecture. Okay, so these all 40 topics are extremely important. I'm repeating again. So please don't leave it and be serious and utilize the each and every minute of the lecture. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen sir. Thank you so much. As sir said, this topic which we are going to teach is like conquered and most important topics. So make sure that you invest your 4 hours per week. It is, I think, for the students, investing 4 hours is not a big task. You can easily invest your 4 hours because हमें वो 31,000 वाला जो fellowship है वो भी तो लेना है. तो 4 घंटे अभी दे दोगे तभी तो आपको वो फेलोशिप मिल पाएगी. तो with this note and keeping in our mind to crack CSR net, I think I thank you everyone for giving their precious time, especially Dr. Ramchandran sir. He is going to visit a dentist, but still he has spared some time for us. Dr. Tashi Bakshi ma'am, Dr. Digvijay Rana sir, Dr. Snehal sir, Dr. Reena ma'am, Dr. Praveen Gupta sir. So I will thank everyone and will meet next Saturday for the sessions. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Krupali.
Can you please repeat the name of the topic which we are doing next week?
Next week we are going to molecules and their interactions and cellular. तो पहला टॉपिक हमारा प्रोटीन कन्फर्मेशन रहेगा, उसके बाद डीएनए कन्फर्मेशन रहेगा, उसके बाद हम सेल्स पे आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, तो कम प्रिपेयर विथ प्रोटीन एंड डीएनए कन्फर्मेशंस. Okay, I'll also drop detail in announcement sections. So okay. If anyone have a doubt, they can ask. Otherwise, we can dissolve this session.
Ma'am, are we going to learn a practical knowledge?
No. Everything is theoretical only. Theory only. We'll not learn practical, but we'll learn in a like analytical way. और आप उसको है ना जैसे practical का हैंड्स ऑन नहीं करोगे, बट आप सोच पाओगे उस तरह एडवांस वे में. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you sir, Rana sir, Ramchandran sir, Darshi ma'am, Reena ma'am, Praveen sir. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you, Daksha. Thank you.
Thank you.